Alright, this might be the smartest wearable I've tested this year because the new Oura Ring 5 is doing something almost no other health gadget can pull off. It packs over 50 health metrics into something smaller than most wedding rings, and honestly, after looking at everything this thing can track, it feels less like a piece of jewelry and more like a tiny health lab living on your finger. Oura says it's now 40% thinner, lighter, and smaller, but somehow they still improved the sensors, boosted battery life, and made the tracking way more accurate. And the crazy part is you barely even notice you're wearing it. If you're into fitness, recovery, sleep tracking, or just want deeper insights into your body without wearing a bulky smartwatch all day, this thing is seriously interesting. So hit that subscribe button and drop a like because we're diving deep into everything new with the Oura Ring 5 and whether it's actually worth the hype. Now visually, this looks super premium. The titanium build gives it that luxury feel without being heavy, and honestly the new finishes look clean. The gold and deep rose versions definitely stand out, but the stealth and black options are probably my favorites because they look subtle and futuristic at the same time. It's also waterproof up to 100 meters, so you can literally wear this while sleeping, working out, showering, or even swimming without stressing about it. And that's important because Oura's whole experience depends on continuous tracking throughout the entire day and night. What really matters though is the accuracy. And this is where Oura Ring 5 starts flexing hard. Oura claims 99% heart rate accuracy compared to ECG testing, and sleep staging accuracy close to actual clinical sleep labs. That's honestly wild for a device this small. Most smartwatches still struggle with reliable sleep data, but Oura has basically built its reputation around recovery and sleep tracking, and this new version looks even better. The sensors automatically adapt to your body throughout the day, tracking heart rate, blood oxygen, heart rate variability, respiration, temperature trends, stress levels, and overall readiness. It's basically giving you a full body status report every morning. And here's the thing I really like. The experience feels more personal than a smartwatch. Instead of constantly buzzing your wrist with notifications, the Oura Ring 5 quietly collects data in the background and then gives you insights that actually feel useful. If your body is showing signs of stress, poor recovery, sickness, or fatigue, it tells you before you even fully notice it yourself. That readiness feature alone could genuinely help people improve sleep schedules and workout recovery. And if you're enjoying this review so far, make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot more tech coming that you do not want to miss. Another major focus this year is women's health tracking. Oura is pushing hard into cycle insights and period prediction using body temperature trends, and it also integrates directly with apps like Natural Cycles, Flow, and Clue. That makes this ring way more than just a fitness wearable. It becomes a full lifestyle and wellness device that adapts around your body patterns over time. And because it syncs with over 100 apps on both iPhone and Android, it slides pretty easily into whatever ecosystem you already use. Battery life also looks seriously impressive. Oura says you can get up to 6 to 9 days depending on usage, and charging only takes around 20 to 80 minutes. That's actually huge because most smartwatches still need charging almost daily. Here, you can basically wear it continuously for an entire week and forget about it. Plus, the ring only weighs around 2 grams depending on size, which is honestly insane considering how much technology is packed inside. Price-wise, this definitely sits in the premium category. The standard silver and black models start at $399, while the more premium finishes like gold, deep rose, stealth, and brushed silver jump to $499. So yeah, this is not a cheap gadget. But honestly, if health tracking, recovery monitoring, and long-term wellness insights matter to you, the Oura Ring 5 feels way more refined and mature than most wearable tech right now. It's small, comfortable, insanely smart, and probably one of the closest things we have to invisible health tech in 2026. So let me know down below, would you actually wear a smart ring over a smartwatch? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.